Alright, so in today's video, we're just going to showcase
these nuts.
this stuff. But we're going to showcase these right here, as y'all can already see. Bag riders right here, and I'm pretty sure you guys know what that is. If you guys don't, it's most likely the tank, or where all the air is going to be stored into. So right now we got the fittings, a little bit of tubing. That seems cool. Let's see if I can put y'all down somewhere, just so that this doesn't fall or anything. Here, let me go grab something to put y'all on. What can I put y'all on? What can I put y'all on? We'll edit this video. We'll split. Whichever. What was it right here? Look. Fully extend. Let's put this shit right here. Just like that. Habooyah! Alright. So we got some more fittings, elbows, you know, whatnot. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is heavy. This one's heavy. Oh, yes. No, it's that big. She said. Ooh. It's the compressor. Man, this compressor weighs a ton. This is what weighs the most. And some skizzers. Be right back. Got skizzers. Careful, SpongeBob. Okay, so we got these. Alright, so this looks like more stuff for the compressor, maybe silencer, I have no idea. Cut this off. This. Sheesh. So here's what we're looking at. So this right here. I only bought a single compressor. No need for two compressors right now. I feel like single compressor will suffice for the type of application that we will be doing. Then let's just put that back in there nicely and neatly. Just like that. Okay, and so this. Take this off. Ooh. Keep in mind this is only like package 1 of 2. Oh yeah. 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 3P baby. Designed for life on air. I'm pretty sure this might be the manifold. Unsure. Kinda do want to open it. Looks like it slides right out. Okay, so we got slide action. Performance. Yep, here's a controller. Oh, yep. Manifold, controller, instructions. We'll save this for when we actually need it. Okay, so then just leave this right here. We got another package within a package. I love these packages. You know, it's not even worth the struggle. I'm just gonna leave that shit in there. I'm gonna put these back. Because we will be able to do a full unboxing once I get everything from them. So all I bought was airlift 3P, single compressor, 3/8 airline. Nothing fancy. Bought it from Tommy Dang. Shout out T Dang's Move on Insta. Just throw all this packaging back in. We are waiting for the bag to arrive. This is just management and the strap. I mean, management and the tank. It's technically still management. Put this back in there. Shove. Goes back in there. Voila. Alright. So that is nothing bad. Oh, what the fuck? No, scissors don't work like that, do they? Wait, what? Oh, there you go. All right. Oh, careful. Why you scaring me like that? This was for dinner tonight. Salmon. Don't mind the mess. Well, I'm not gonna show the mess. Just a salmon. Ooh. All right, I'll get back to y'all. All right. So I am in no way a chef. So we're gonna be watching a YouTube video. So we're gonna watch this. We're gonna make this. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Who cares? What's what we're making today? Salmon. It's Friday. Can't eat meat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna wear gloves. I don't give a shit. Talk crap what you want. I don't care. Okay, so here is the beautiful, marvelous salmon, which second part does not look as good as I wanted it. Okay. So we're gonna make a little bit of fillets. There we go. Beautiful. So then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the majority of the salmon. Ooh. Ooh. Looks like I'm gonna have to cut it and make it fit on here. But don't worry about that right now. Wash my hands again. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Because the salmon is sticky. Look at that. This is so good. Just gonna cut it into little fillets. So there is our 3 fillets for today. We will not make this, we'll worry about that later. Just got these 3 fillets right here. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so now we're going to get a little container. Cooking container. I don't have my good container. It's babe! Come over here real quick. I need a little pan to put the salmon in. Can you help me find one? Okay, I'm recording too, so don't say anything out of pocket. Please don't. Don't be that person. Okay.
And you're that person 24/7.
And you're being that person. I'm gonna have to edit this shit out. Never mind, I don't need your assistance.
Okay, what do you need?
Okay, so some parchment paper. And it looks like we don't have parchment paper. We do. No, we don't. We do. We have parchment paper. Sweet. $1 parchment paper. Nice. There we go.
That's your paper.
Okay, not gonna stay open. Okay. Now we'll just transfer the salmon. Ooh. One right there. I only made 3 slices today, babe. The other salmon we'll just put away. Look at that. Beautiful. You want to help me, baby? Can you cut like maybe an inch of butter in a little container, in a little thing, because we're gonna put it in the microwave. We're gonna melt the butter. And then, do we have more garlic or no?
Yeah, we have chop it up.
Yeah, I can chop it.
this on top of the butter? Or, oh no, no, you're gonna melt it. Forgot that.
Yeah, this one's already just breaking apart on me. Oh, one down.
It's because you don't do it over the sink.
No, it's on the floor.
Oh.
I'm trying to transfer it over here. Okay, so we got more.
Want me to melt the butter or not right now?
Yes. You cut it like an inch, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's not an inch, that's half an inch.
It's okay, you don't.
No, I need an inch, baby girl. Just cut another one just like that, okay?
Just cut it in half. Right?
Hmm?
Well, cut that one in half.
Actually, switch them out. Oh no, babe, you're gonna need a bigger thing than that, because it's gonna melt. I am in no way a professional.
Look how cute these little plates. This one you want to put this?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Okay.
There's skin on this one. You're not going to be eating skin. And my fingers are going to smell like garlic. Damn it. No. What happened?
Yeah, pick it
Well,
up.
how the fuck do you do it? Cascara! Bitch ass. Cascara.
That's the skin.
No shit, babe. That's what I was saying. The skin. Oh, Skiddo! How long did you put it in there for?
Wait a minute.
No, you didn't really.
Oh.
No. She has a brush in here or no?
Mm-hmm.
Missing?
You used her brush before. It's in there.
I don't remember when.
What, you want the garlic in little cubes or what?
Yep. The brush is over here?
No, it has to be right here. Right there where you look.
Just look to the inside.
Show you guys properly. Alright, look on the first drawer right here. Now look for it right now.
Well, I don't have it. Sometimes I'm just a little over this way.
But she does though, remember?
But I can't find it. Okay? I can't find it. So, oh well. Jesus.
Big ass fucking piece of apple. That's super strong.
I hear chocolate slime. Nope, here she comes.
She's like, my mom doesn't fucking come back.
She's like, I'm making food.
Make sure you don't drop any alcohol. There you go.
Okay, so that's all the butter.
That's good, right?
Yep, it's perfect. Thank you, Jimmy Brown. Grab it inside, sprinkling it on top.
What? Hey, what are you doing? Nuh-uh.
What's she doing?
Just
Oh, I forgot to add lemon. Do we have lemon?
Yeah. I'm gonna go get the lemon from outside.
Yes.
Be back.
Look at the girl thinking.
There was a fucking apple. Okay, I'll be back.
Good job, girl. Okay, look at the salmon looking beautiful. Well, let's just gonna put our little spices on it. Not spices, it's just freaking salt and pepper. Yeah?
Don't add pepper.
It's not too much, baby. It's part of the seasoning. Don't tell me how to cook. I'm just telling you. This one. This one looks good.
Want me to make rice or what?
White rice? Yes.
Okay.
Please. Okay, so now I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this over in the salmon. All right. Now the oven's ready, so we're just gonna throw it in the oven. And I will see you guys later. All right, so we have the salmon. This is what it looks like when it came out. Supposedly supposed to look like this. I don't think so, but we got the rice right over there cooking. So yeah, I'll get back to you once this is finished. Alright, so I cooked it for a little bit longer. Oh, yep. That's the rice right there. Looking good. If I look weird, it's because I just had a smoke sesh right now, you feel me? But yeah, this all the salmon. I think it looks cool. Like I said, it looks pink, meaning that it was undercooked.
So that's how it happened.
But we better change her mind right now.
I got so bad.
Now I'm gonna come back to this video when we have it on the plate. Looking nice. Alright, so that's what we're looking like now. Final boss. She likes more lemon. But yeah, should be cool. Look at the doggo. Good doggo. Shit. Just kidding. She's not trained. The food.